Thanks to years of research and development, MasterCraft delivers superior comfort on the water. Kick back and relax in a whole new way in our transom seating area, featuring deep seats with a plush design, flip-up backrests, ergonomic headrests, and extendable footrests. Various designs are available on all XT and X models, as well as on the X-Star S. Adjustable seating and layout options ensure no one ever misses a moment on the water. An optional convertible bench seat has an easy-to-use handle that gives you the option to face the cockpit for lounging or face the transom to watch behind the boat action. Don't worry about damaging your upholstery. Our convertible seats come with a built-in step pad on the X-Star S and all XT and X models. And on the X-Star S and certain XT and X models, the option of a starboard pop-up seat back just behind the driver takes lounging to the next level.